Hello! How about making your own necklace or a choker? Today I'm going to show you how to make your own necklace or a choker. If you want to try such amazing and creative DIYs, visit our website mysparklebox.com. You can find green-wise Papercraft kits over there. Subscribe our channel if you are visiting it for the first time and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Now, let's get started with our today's DIY. If you want me to make any specific DIYs, share your thoughts about it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all!